Let us see how to solve this type of questions. This type of questions, first we will solve this multiplication part. This is the step number 1. So we will write 3 as it is, minus 3 times 6, it will be 18, and the remaining is what? Plus 2. Now step number 2, we will simplify the first 2 digits. We will start from the left hand side. 3 minus 18, since there is minus, one is negative and one is positive, so first we will subtract. 18 minus 3, it will be 15, but the negative, the number is with the bigger number, so we will put the sign minus. Then the remaining is plus 2. Now this is step number 2. Now the next is the step number 3. Minus 15 plus 2. One is negative, the other is positive. So we will subtract first. 15 minus 2, it will be 13. And which is the bigger number? 15. And what is the sign of 15? Minus. So this is minus. Your final answer is minus 13.